Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. Second puzzle, a Killer Sudoku in the puzzle page of the weekend edition, Saturday, January the 11th, 2025. And I've already solved one puzzle, the 4-star Sudoku, so three puzzles are left. Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, the binary with 4 stars. If you are interested in this one, it's the Killer Sudoku. Killer Sudoku number. This will be number 9884. We have here three given numbers. Three given numbers. The 4 in this triple box of 12. That means that those two boxes together should be an 8. 8 plus 4 is equal to 12. We have a given number 5 in this triple box of 8. That means that those two boxes together should be a 3. There's only one combination for 3. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. Plus 5 is equal to 8. We have a given number 5 in this triple box of 17. That means that those two boxes together should be 12. 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. Alright? For Killer Sudoku, my average time or time limit for the Killer Sudoku is 20 to 30 minutes to solve. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudoku in the additional, this will be a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. My first strategy is to look for a big square. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I'm looking for a big square with one sharing box. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2, 3. This one has 1, 2. This one has 1, 2. So it will be difficult. What you need to know is the total sum of a big square is always 45. If you count all these numbers, the total sum of a big square is 45. But same for a column. We have this column is complete. If you count all these numbers, the total sum of a column is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. Okay. Do we have a row with one sharing box? No. This is also complete. This middle column, the last column. Alright, my next strategy is to look for boxes with only one combination. For example, the box of 3, only one combination. 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. The box of 16, 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7. The box of 17, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8. Well, here coming in 9. We have a 9 in one of those two boxes in this big square, so the 9 should be here and 8 goes there. The box of 3, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. The box of 4, 3 plus 1. Well, we have a 1 in one of those two boxes in this column, so here can be 1. The 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. This the box of 17, 9 plus 8, 9 plus 8. The box of 16, 9 plus 7. Well, I cannot place the 9. Well, no, it's 9 and 7, okay. That means the 9 and the 8. I cannot place the 9 here, otherwise I cannot place any 9 in one of those two boxes. So this box should be an 8. That box should be 9. Okay. So the 9 and the 7. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. Okay. We have 8, 19, 5, 10, 15. That's all. That's all. Well, I can tell you this triple box of 24, there's only one combination for the triple box of 24. 9 plus 8 is 17, plus 7 is equal to 24. So 9, 8, 7. Okay, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 in this one, 9 could be here, could be there. So the 8 and the 7 could be here, here, or there. That means we have 3 missing numbers in this column. We have a 1 and a 2. 3 is missing. 4 is missing. The 5 and the 6 is missing. 3, 4, 6. 4 plus 6 is 10, plus 3 is equal to 13. Okay. 9, 8 plus 6. Well, Alright. Need a 9 here. 9 there. 9 and the 4, 9 and the 3, 9 and the 6. Okay. Let me think. In this big square, we need a 9. We have a 9 in this row, so no 9 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 in this big square goes in the box of 11. Combination 2 and a 9. 2 and a 9. Well, we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. 9 goes there. 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. That means I've marked those 2 boxes earlier with a 9. We have a 9 now in this row, so here can be 9 and 1. That box should be 9. So the 8 and the 7 are left. Okay. 1, 2. Let me think. There are 2 combinations. My next strategy is to look for boxes with 2 combinations. For example, the box of 14. There are 2 combinations for the box of 14. 9 plus 5 and 8 plus 6. Well, we already have a 9 in this row, so I cannot place the 9 and the 5 there. So it should be 8 and a 6. 8 and 6. Yeah. 9 and 6. Okay. Come on. 9. There are 2 combinations for the box of 6. 2 plus 4 and 5 plus 1. Well, the 4 is already used in this big square, so I cannot place the 2 and the 4 here. So 2 will be 5 and a 1. Oh, we have a 5 in this row. No 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 and a 1. We have a 1 now in the middle row. No 1 there. 1 should be here. 2 goes there. There are 2 combinations for the box of 14 in the last row. 9 plus 5. Well, we already have a 9 in this row, so I cannot place the 9 and the 5 here. So it should be 8 and a 6 here. 8 and a 6. Well, I cannot place the 8 here because we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 6. That box should be an 8. Okay. 2. Need a 3 also. Come on. Well, 7. Need 9 here or there. 9 and 3 or 9 and 6. Need 6 here. There are 2 combinations for the box of 15. 9 plus 6 and 8 plus 7. Well, the 6 is already used in this column, so can I place 9 and 6 here? So it should be 8 and 7. Okay. Come on. 8 and 7. 8 and 7, so it should be 7 also here. 7 and 8. Well, We have a 7 in one of those two boxes in this column, 7 in one of those two boxes in the middle columns of the column next. The only two places left with 7 could be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. In the box of 15, the combination will be 7 plus 8 is equal to 15. 8 and 6, we have 8 now in this big square, so here can be 8 and more. This box will be a 6. That box will be an 8. Then 8, need the 8 here or there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, some row below. The only two. Oh, we already have 8 here. Need 9 here. Well, in this big square, we need a 9 and an 8. We have a 9 and an 8 in the third column, so no 9 and 8 in these 3 boxes. We have a 9 and 8 in this column, so no 9 in the 8 in those 3 boxes. So the 9 and 8 goes in these 3 boxes in the box, in the triple box of 19. 9 and an 8, 9 and an 8, 9 plus 8 is 17, 17 plus 2 is equal to 19. Need a 2 here. That means we have 2 boxes left in this first column, the box of 9 and the box of 11. Need a 3, need a 4, need a 6. Well, I cannot place the 6 in the first column in the box of 11, otherwise the combination will be 6 plus 5. The 5 is already used in the first column. So the 6 should be here in the box of 9. Combination 6 and the 3. 6 and the 3. Let me mark those. That means 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. 4 and the 7. So now we have need a 5 here. 7 and a 4. 9 and 7. Come on, come on, come on. 8 in this column, 8 in the last column, so the column 3. The only place left with 8 should be here. These 2 boxes together should be 12. So 8 plus 4 is 12 plus 5 is equal to 17. So I need a 7. In this big square we need a 7. I cannot place this 7 here in the box of 9 because we have a 7 in the middle. Well, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left with a 7 should be there. In the box of 11, combination will be 7 plus 4. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 3 and a 6. 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in this column. No 3 there. 3 should be here and a 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this middle row for number. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in we have a 4 here, so in the box of 7 the combination here will be 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So 1 box left now in this big square for number, I believe the 9. Yeah, 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place left with 9 should be here. In the box of 12 combination will be 9 plus 3. 6 and a 3, we have a 3 in this big square, so here can be 3 and more. This box should be 6. In the box of 9 combination will be 6 plus 3. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 2 is missing. These 2 boxes together should be 8, so it should be 2 and the 6. 2 plus 6 is 8, plus 4 is equal to 12. Okay, then 2 in one of these 3 boxes in this column, 2 in the third column, so the column 3. The second column, the only 2 places left with 2 goes in the box of 7. Combination 2 and a 5. 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. 1 is missing. 1 and a 6. 1 and a 6. Okay, 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3. 1 and 3. Okay, 2 and a 1. We already have 1 in this row. No 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. Let me finish here. 5 and a 1. There are 2 combinations for the box of 6. 2 plus 4 and 5 plus 1. Well, the 4 is already used in this column, so I cannot place the 2 and the 4 here, so it should be 5 and a 1. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 and a 6, we have a 1 now in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 6 goes there. Okay. 8 and a 7, we already have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 in the last row, 2 in a row above, so in that row, the only place left of the 2 should be there. In a box of 8, combination with 2 plus 6. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing, 3 and a 4. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. We have 3 in the last row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. 7 and a 4, we have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 7 in the last row, 7 in that row, so no row 3. The only place left of 7 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2 3. 4 is missing and a 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 4 goes there, so 2 numbers left now in the last column. For numbers 1 and 2, 3 is missing. In the box of 9, combination will be 3 plus 6. Let me mark those. So 1 digit left in this big square for the number. The 1 and the 2, the 3, the 4. 5 is missing. In the box of 14, combination will be 5 plus 9. 2 missing numbers now in this column for numbers. 1 is missing. 1 and a 5 then in this column. Yeah. That means 1 digit left in this big square. 1, 2 is missing here. In the box of 7, combination will be 2 plus 5. 1 and a 5, we have a 5 now in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here, 1 goes there. Then 2 missing numbers in the third column for numbers. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and a 7, 4 and a 7. Well, I cannot place the 7 here in the box of 5, so the 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. In the box of 10, combination will be 7 plus 3. In the box of 5, the combination will be 4 plus 1. 2 and a 1, we have a 1 now in the second row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, 2 goes there. 3 and a 6, we have a 3 in the first row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Then 8 and a 7, we have a 7 in the first row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 9 and a 7, we have a 7 in the second row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and then 9 goes there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the second row, so in the third row, the only place left for 9 should be there. So 2 numbers left, the 8 and the 2. We have an 8 in the first row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 box left now in the first row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing here. So the other 2 numbers in this triple box of 13 are the numbers 3 and a 6. We have a 3 in the second row, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes. Wow. I'm pleased with the time. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So I'm really pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it also by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.